Alright, listen up. Today is Monday, July 20th, 2026. The opening bell is just around the corner and you need a game plan. You can't just stumble into this market and hope for the best. Hope is not a strategy, my friends. You need a map. You need clear lines in the sand. This is your pre-market playbook designed to give you that edge, especially if you're playing the fast and furious world of zero-day to expiration options, or zero-day to expiration, as the kids call them. We're going to keep it simple. No PhD in economics required. We're going to look at the charts, identify the key levels, and build a plan. That's how you make money in this market. Our goal is simple. We want to find the path of least resistance. We want to know where the buyers are hiding and where the sellers are lurking. This isn't about predicting the future. No one has a crystal ball, and if they tell you they do, they're selling you something. This is about reacting to what the market gives you. We are going to use technical data, the charts. So grab your coffee, sharpen your pencils. Let's get ready to make some money. First up, the big one. The S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY. This is the whole market in one ticker. When SPY moves, the whole world watches. Right now, the long-term picture is still an uptrend. The bulls have been running this show for a while, but the price has pulled back from its recent highs up near 760. This tells me the market is taking a breather. The momentum is what I'd call neutral. It's waiting for a catalyst. Now let's talk levels. These are your lines in the sand. For SPY, your first key support zone is down at 740 to 742. If that level breaks, look out below. The next floor is at 735. On the other side, resistance sits at 748 to 750. If they can bust through that, then 755 to 760 comes back into play. It's a battle between these two zones. So, what's my bias? I'm cautiously, slightly bullish, but only if SPY can get above 745 to 746 early. That 745 level is our pivot. It's our trigger. If SPY gets above it and holds, that's a green light for the bulls. It tells us the buyers are back and ready to push prices higher. What if SPY falls below that crucial 740 support level? That's your red flag. If 740 breaks, you have to respect it. For Monday morning, all eyes are on SPY 745. That's the number that matters. Next, let's look at the NASDAQ 100 ticker QQQ. This is where the tech titans live. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. Tech has led for a long time, but right now, QQQ is tired. A pullback inside a larger uptrend. Momentum is stuck in neutral. QQQ is a critical tell for the market's health. Let's get to the numbers. First critical support, 690. The next stop could be 685. Resistance, bulls need to punch through 700 to 705. 700 is a huge psychological barrier. If QQ gets back above 700 and holds, it breathes a huge sigh of relief into the market. As long as it's below 700, weakness clouds the market. Plan for Monday. Focus on QQQ 700. A decisive move above 700 is bullish. If QQQ can't clear 700 and rolls over, be careful. The real danger, a break below 690 with heavy volume. Weakness could spread. Sellers getting aggressive. More downside possible. Break below 690. Step aside or consider bearish plays. Don't fight the tape. If the tech titans fall, they can drag the whole market down with them. Now for my favorite scrappers, the small caps. Russell 2000, ticker IWM. These are the smaller, more domestically focused companies, and this is the strongest chart of the three right now. It's in a strong, healthy uptrend. It did pull back from the big 300 level, which is totally normal, but the momentum here is still strong. When the small caps are leading, it shows broad participation. The first line of defense for the bulls is at 292. Below that, a stronger support zone between 289 and 290. As long as IWM stays above 290, the bulls are in good shape. My bias is bullish, unless it breaks below 290 with serious selling. On the upside, the big prize is that 300 level. Resistance is sitting at 298 to 300. A breakout above 300 would be huge news for the market. IWM is your confirmation tool. If it lags, be careful. If it pushes to 300, that's confirmation. If IWM breaks 300, it's a market all clear. Don't miss it. Booyah! Alright, we can't just look at stocks. We have to be smarter than that. We need to know where the fear is. That's why we take a quick look at gold, ticker GLD, and silver, ticker SLV. These are the classic safe haven assets. Weak metals often mean risk on. Strength can warn of risk off. Let's start with gold, GLD. The chart here tells a clear story, downtrend. Momentum tried to bounce from oversold, but no real power yet. Support sits at 365, then 360. Resistance up at 375, then 382. Bias, neutral to bearish until back above short-term averages with conviction. Now silver, SLV, also in a clear downtrend. RSI is below neutral, not a sign of strength. Support around 49.75 to 50. Resistance at 52, then 55. Bearish until it can reclaim 52 with strong volume. Right now, both are weak. That favors stock market bulls. It tells us there isn't a big rush for safety. If gold and silver suddenly catch a strong bid, get more cautious with stocks. But for now, the coast is clear. Okay, this is where the rubber meets the road. This is your action plan. Remember, zero DTE trades are fast. You need simple rules. You need clear entry and exit points. And most importantly, small position sizes. Write these down. SPY 745 bull trigger, QQQ 700 tech strength, IWM 300 breadth. SPY 740 and QQQ 690 are bear triggers. Bullish play, SPY above 745 and QQQ above 700, with IWM strong toward 300. Consider a short duration call debit spread on SPY or on IWM. Advanced, a bullish credit spread. Stops. If SPY back below 740 or QQQ below 690, exit. Bearish play, SPY loses 740 while QQQ breaks 690. Confirm with weak IWM or heavy selling volume. Consider a put debit spread on SPY or on QQQ, or a bearish credit spread. If SPY reclaims 745 or QQQ reclaims 700, exit immediately. Check charts, check news, identify the trigger, pick a side, define risk, know your exit.